Hey, it's Sarah with WTI. I'm here to show you this HTH Defoamer and how great it works if you have a hot tub. If you are like me and you have a hot tub, whether it be regular water or salt water, this is a great product. Just watch how fast this stuff works. So all you have to do is add a little bit directly to your hot tub. And as you can see, a little bit goes a very long way, which overall saves you money. Not only does this defoamer work to eliminate bubbles within your spa, it often softens your water as well. Just watch how quickly this stuff works. And so there you have it. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch those bubbles disappear with this awesome product. I know that you're going to enjoy it just as much as I do, and that is my point of view.